Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change about on the WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. First open the WhatsApp and then you can see three dot on the top right corner. So click on it and then click on setting. So after this you can see profile. So just click on it. And then you can see about. So in about you can see a pin, so just click on pin and then you can select any about according to you. So for example, I am writing here feeling happy. So after writing, click on save options. So in this way you can see about is changed. So in this way you can change about on the WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.